Morning everyone. See, today we are starting our exercise 10A questions. Okay, see, your first question is identify the following pair of angles as complementary, supplementary or equal. So from these angles you have to identify. See, your first question is 77 degree and 103 degree. Now you have to identify that this angle is supplementary angle or complementary angle or equal angle. Now see, add this 77 plus 103 is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree is equal to supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Okay. Now see question number second. That is B, 177 and 177 degree. So this angle. Now add this 177 plus 177. Yes, 7 7 14 minus 1 354. Okay, so these two angles are equal. Sum is not getting in supplementary angle, not in complementary angle. So these both angles are equal. So this is equal. Okay, now see question number C. 7 degree and 173 degree. So when you are adding 7 plus 173, it is 180 degree, and 180 degree is equal to supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Okay. Now see D, E and F that you have to solve. Now question number second, name the adjacent angles in the following figures. Now you have to just show which are the adjacent angle here, that is BOA and BOC and COD and BOC, COD. These are the adjacent angles. So this question number 2 that you have to solve, and question number 3 also you can solve it very easily. For question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. For solving these questions you have to just read out all the adjacent angle, linear pairs and angles on straight line, opposite angles. This all, when you are reading this you will easily solve these questions up to question number 4 that you have to solve. I will solve question number 5 now. Write the complements of the following angles. A, 45 degree. C, 45 degree. As you know that complementary angles is equal to 90 degree. Okay, you know it is 90 degree. Now 45 we have to add that number, that it will become 90. You have to make it complementary angle. So for making it complementary angle you have to add 45 here. So what is the number you have added here? That is 45 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, so this is your answer, is equal to 90 degree. So what you have added to make it complementary angle? 45 degree. Now see question number B. In this 10 degree is given, 40 degree. So for making complementary angle you have to add 40 degree plus 50 degree. So it will become your 90 degree as complementary angle. Okay. Now see question number C. C of this, that is 10 degree plus what you have to add here? 80. So it will become your 90 degree as complementary. देखो जो भी नंबर दे रखा है उसमें आपको ऐसा नंबर ऐड करना है कि वो 90 डिग्री बन जाए, क्योंकि हमें क्या बनाना है इस नंबर को? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. So for making it complementary angle you have to add here 80 degree. So question number 5, remaining questions that you have to solve. We will solve now question number 6. Now question number 6, write the supplements of the following angles. Supplements means 180 degree. Okay, so A 80 degree plus dash. What you have to add here to make here 180 degree? Means 100 degree you have to add here to make it supplementary angle. Okay, now see question number B, 10 degree means plus you have to add here 170 degree to make it 180 degree as supplementary angle. Okay, so rest of the questions you can do it very easily. See question number 7. Question number 7, A. O, that is 93 degree. Okay, and that is B, A, B, C. Okay, see here the measure of one angle is given, means one angle is given, rest of the 3 angles you have to find other angles. What is the value of other angle? Now see, if this angle is 93 degree, this angle will also become your 93 degree. So now see, opposite angles are always equal. Therefore 93 degree, see this angle AOB, is equal to 93 degree and angle DOC is equal to 93 degree. Okay, these both angles will remain the same because opposite angles are always equal. Now see, if these both angles are 93 degree, means 93 plus 93, but the sum of these 4 angles, I have explained you yesterday, the sum of these 4 angles, this 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. Now see, 93 plus 93, we got the sum of these 2 angles. This angle is 93, it means this will also become your 93 degree. So 3 plus 3 6, 9 plus 9 18, 186. Now see, subtract 360 minus 186, you will get here 4, 7 and here 174. So इन दोनों एंगल का सम क्या है 174. So 174 divide by 2, 2 8 are 16, remainder 1, 2 7 are 14. So this angle is 87 degree. So this will also become your 87 degree, and this angle is your 93 degree. And sum of these all angles, sum of 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. Okay, देखो कुछ भी नहीं किया इस क्वेश्चन में, आपको 93 डिग्री एक एंगल की साइड दे रखी है 93 डिग्री. अगर ये 93 डिग्री है तो इसके ऑपोजिट में जो भी एंगल होगा वो 93 डिग्री होगा, और इन दोनों का सम क्या हो रहा है 186 डिग्री. तो इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल ये दोनों का सम होना चाहिए. मीन्स अगर इन दोनों का सम और इन दोनों का सम किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए 360 डिग्री के. तो इन दोनों का सम जब हमें मिल गया तो हमने उन दोनों के सम को 360 में से माइनस कर दिया, तो हमें क्या मिल गया इन दोनों का सम. अब इसका सम मिला, उसका आधा कर दिया, इट मीन्स हाफ ऑफ एंगल ऑफ बोथ, एंड वी आर गेटिंग द सम ऑफ दिस 4 एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. O P Q S, that is your R. Now see, दिस एंगल इज गिवन टू यू 30 डिग्री. अगर ये 30 डिग्री रहता है तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये भी 30 डिग्री हो जाएगा, और हमें ये दोनों एंगल्स फाइंड करने. अगर ये दोनों 13 डिग्री है तो 13 प्लस 13 इट इज़ 26 डिग्री. सो अब इन चारों एंगल का सम क्या होता है, दैट इज सम ऑफ all four angles is equal to 360 डिग्री. अब 360 डिग्री माइनस 26, इन दोनों का सम माइनस कर दो इसमें से. सो व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग हियर 4 3 3 334. देयरफॉर 334 डिवाइड बाई 2. ये दोनों एंगल्स हमको फाइंड करने हैं तो इनका आधा आधा इसका आधा करना पड़ेगा, तो हमें दोनों एंगल्स मिल जाएंगे. 2 1 ज़ा 2, रिमाइंडर 1, 2 6 ज़ा 12, रिमाइंडर 1, 2 7 ज़ा 14. सो दिस एंगल इज 167 डिग्री एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 167 डिग्री. ओके. Now see question number 8. Find the measure of x in the following figures. Find the measure of x in the following figures. Means see, this angle is given to you A. Means you have to find the value of x here. This is x and this is 130 degree and this is the line segment. Now see, angle made on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So sum of these two angles means x plus 130 degree is equal to ये दोनों एंगल किसके ऊपर बने हुए हैं, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर, तो ये हो गया 180 डिग्री. सो x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 130. सो x इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. ओके. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x यू गॉट हियर 50 डिग्री. Now see question number B. See, this is your x plus 20 degree and this is your x. Now this is also made on a straight line, so x plus 20 plus x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 20. 2x is equal to 160. So x is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now see question number C. C. Now see in question number C, here you have to find the value of x. और उसके ऑपोजिट में एक एंगल दे रखा है 57 डिग्री. अगर ये एंगल 57 डिग्री है तो 57 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू x. Opposite angles are always equal. Are always equal. Therefore x is equal to 57 degree. Okay. Now see question number D. Question number D. In this angle is given to you x. This angle is given to you x plus 18 degree. Now see what you have to find. If this angle is x and this is x plus 18 and the sum of these four angles is equal to 360 degree. So x plus 18 degree plus x. सी आप इस क्वेश्चन को दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. आप इसमें चारों एंगल का सम भी ले सकते हैं और अगर आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही एंगल का पूछा हुआ है एक्स का, तो आप इसमें चारों एंगल का नहीं लेके एक स्ट्रेट लाइन दे रखी है, इसके ऊपर ही एक एंगल बना हुआ है, तो इट मीन्स यू कैन टेक हियर एक्स प्लस 18 डिग्री प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे एंगल बना हुआ है, दो एंगल्स बने हुए हैं, तो 2x प्लस 18 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 18. So x is equal to 2 divide by 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2. So x is equal to 81 degree. See question number F. X here 2x. See two angles are given on the straight lines, therefore 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 0. X is equal to 60 degree. Got here. Okay, thank you.